Going viral on YouTube in 2025 might seem impossible with so many creators fighting for attention, but the truth is the algorithm is always looking for fresh, engaging content. And if you know how to play the game, you can get massive views even with a brand new channel. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need millions of subscribers to go viral, but that's not true. YouTube doesn't care about your sub count, it only cares about one thing: watch time. If people watch your video longer, YouTube pushes it to more viewers, and that's the key to going viral. Now let's talk about the easiest way to make this happen. The first step is grabbing attention in the first 3 seconds. People scroll fast, and if you don't hook them instantly, they're gone. So start with a bold statement, a shocking fact, or a strong question that makes viewers curious. Instead of saying, "Today we'll talk about YouTube growth," say something like, "I found the fastest way to explode on YouTube and no one is talking about it." This creates curiosity and keeps people watching. The second step is storytelling. Viral videos don't just give information, they make people feel something. Whether it's excitement, curiosity, or inspiration, emotions keep people hooked. The best way to do this is by structuring your video like a story. Start with a problem, build up the curiosity, then deliver the solution, and end with a strong takeaway. If you're explaining how to grow on YouTube, don't just list tips. Share your journey or an example of someone who succeeded using the same strategy. Another major hack is creating bingeable content. YouTube loves keeping people on the platform. If one of your videos does well, YouTube checks if you have similar content to recommend. So instead of making random videos, focus on a niche and create related content that makes viewers want to watch more. If you make a video on how to go viral, your next one should be on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers or the best AI tools for YouTube. This way, your videos feed into each other and YouTube pushes them to the same audience. Now let's talk about the algorithm in 2025. The biggest shift is YouTube prioritizing engagement over everything. Comments, shares, and watch time tell YouTube that people love your content, so you need to encourage interaction. Ask a simple question in your video, like, what's your biggest struggle on YouTube, or do you think shorts are better than long videos? This makes people comment, which signals to YouTube that your video is valuable and should be promoted to more viewers. And here's a pro tip: use trends to your advantage. YouTube rewards creators who talk about fresh topics that people are already searching for. You don't need to copy others, just add your unique perspective. Find trending topics in your niche using YouTube search, Google Trends, or even Twitter, and create videos around them while they're hot. If you're fast, your video has a much higher chance of blowing up. But none of this matters if your thumbnail and title aren't clickable. The most viral videos don't just have great content. They have thumbnails and titles that force people to click. A great thumbnail is simple, has strong contrast, and makes people curious, while a great title should create a question in the viewer's mind. Instead of "how to go viral on YouTube," say, "this weird trick made my video blow up." This way, people can't resist clicking. Now that you know the formula to go viral, it's time to take action. Make your next video with these strategies in mind. Focus on hooking the audience, tell a compelling story, create bingeable content, and optimize for engagement. Keep experimenting, keep improving, and you'll see results faster than you think.